Welcome, sisters.
Hey guys, it's Sarah.
Sarah, Sanda-san.
I keep forgetting. With my bestest friend Winifred, Erica.
Dost thou comprehend?
So I am in California. It is lovely. And of course we decided to try out the Hocus Pocus themed secret menu Starbucks drinks. They do not have a secret menu. They were very clear on that. But you can read them the instructions, really annoy them, and then they'll make the drinks for you.
Yeah.
So it took us about 20 minutes to order the drinks because I had to break it down ingredient by ingredient.
30 to be in line.
They are super happy with us, especially since the line is all the way around. Okay, so this one is the Sarah drink. It's like a violet drink base. This one's the Winifred drink, and it's a green tea frappuccino base. And then this one is the Sarah drink, and it's a strawberry
Cream frappuccino.
I thought it was strawberry chocolate.
Strawberry cream frappuccino.
Okay, strawberry cream frappuccino.
With white mocha and mocha drizzle.
Yeah, I'll just link the secret menu in the description box so that you guys can like pick which one you want. And we're gonna try them.
Wait for the plane to pass.
It's about halfway.
Can you hurry it up?
Okay, so now that the plane has flown over, we can continue. So we're just going to try each drink and give you guys our thoughts, and we thought it would be fun because we're already dressed up because we have a live tonight, so that will have passed already.
It will have passed. Hopefully we'll save
but
it.
it'll still be on your
my
channel. So yeah, head over to Erica's channel if you want to see. Oh, and Rowan's on that one too, so it's actually all three of us.
All three Sanderson
live.
sisters.
All right, I'm
Let's do it.
trying Sarah first.
I'm trying Mary. Actually, I'm going to try this first.
I'll be honest with you guys, like reading I'm going to mix mine because these have been melting.
Yeah,
we got locked out of our house. That's why we're filming outside.
In the back, and there's another plane hovering.
We may have left without a key and gotten locked out, but it's okay. Winifred's going to break us into the house.
Here. Close the thing.
So I think that Mary's looks the best sounds the best based on the description.
I mean, looks the best, not so much anymore.
Yeah.
Before, it looked the best. This one is probably going to be our least favorite because neither of us like green tea.
Yeah. But this one also looks like it has baby diarrhea on the top.
Oh, because it's that ginger.
Do you see it?
What is it, pumpkin or nutmeg?
It was ginger.
Okay.
It was supposed to be like their outfit, and then their hair is the top. So like yours was supposed to have strawberries on top, but they said they didn't have it. So whatever.
All right. Well, cheers, sister.
Oh yeah. Cheers. It's good. It's very fruity.
This ain't it. This is not. That is not for me.
Mm.
That tastes like a stick of sugar-free mint gum.
Oh, I can't wait to try it.
Not okay.
Well, I can like double dip in this one because
that's trash.
nobody's gonna drink this.
No one's drinking that.
All right, my turn for Winifred. You wanna try? Oh, you wanna try?
I'm gonna try this one
Yeah.
first, since the straw's already here. Do you want to try some, Vero? And you can have this straw. She's
Her
like,
face.
that's a hard pass.
After watching you try Winifred,
I can't wait. You try it. I want to wait and see what yours is.
oh, I like it. It's like mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Okay, that's why I don't like it. I don't like mint chip.
It tastes like mint chocolate chip ice cream.
It just tastes like gum.
Really good.
Like I feel like I had a breath
It absolutely
refresh.
tastes like winter fresh gum.
Okay, Winifresh gum. Hey, I've
There's
been here
our
all week. Okay.
Okay, this
Here
is
we go.
actually good. I'm very surprised.
Okay, I'm gonna be like excited about this guy. Okay, strawberry cream. Yeah, this one's good.
Can I say how much I appreciate you and your lips? You literally go.
And that is not in character. That's actually just me. It's just me.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds good.
This one's like a chocolate cherry.
Okay.
I'm
still need to try
here
Sarah.
for it. Yeah, let me try Sarah. You can have Mary. You can have her one.
Okay. I actually don't like this one as much as this one.
What's in this?
Berries.
No. It's what's on top. It's spicy.
She said no. I'm a liar.
No.
It is berries. The ginger's on top.
It's-
Ginger
I
has a
had-
kick to it.
When I put my straw in,
You got a
it went
chunk of
straight
ginger?
through the ginger.
Try another sip.
It's spicy in my throat. I am being played. That's the verdict. It's in.
Only get Mary.
Only get. It says gin powder. No wonder it's gin.
I need to take this one out.
You know what it is? These two taste like these two. So what is this? Sarah and Winnie
Us.
taste us. Mary, the odd one out here, is the best one. These don't taste creamy or like any kind of frappuccino. This does.
Yes.
These taste like a flavored water, but with a little more texture, which who wants that ever?
Rawan loved Sarah. She tried her like on her own.
The ginger is not where it's at. That's what the problem
I
is.
wasn't a huge fan of this one because of the texture, because there's a
Yeah.
butt ton of berries. It does say in the recipe add extra berries, which I did not like. So I wonder if you didn't do that, if
This
it would
is
taste
it.
better.
This is it.
I
Which
like
was your
this
fa-
one.
Oh,
Which is so surprising because I never would have gotten this one. With a green
it's
tea
green
base.
tea. Neither of us like green tea. Okay, girl, bye. Sarah is voted off the island. Oh my god.
I think this one, yeah, because I wasn't, okay, this one's really good, but if you don't like the really strong taste of strawberry, you're not going to like that.
See, but the thing is, I don't always love strawberry. To me, this tastes like a chocolate cherry.
See, I don't like chocolate cherries.
I do.
I do not.
Give me a chocolate covered bean
So,
cherry any
just
day.
saying though, if this was like a test for what sister you are, give me your wig.
I will snatch yours.
There's our other thumbnail.
This video was wig snatching.
So the verdict is, I like the Winifred one. This is literally mint. If you like mint chocolate chip ice cream, you will really like this.
Y'all, no. Don't let her fool you. That tastes like spearmint gum. Do you need to brush your teeth? Order that, okay? If you want to treat yourself with a little frap, this is your girl.
And if you have the worst taste ever. I'm just kidding. If you like this one, we don't
No
judge.
taste, yeah.
It's fine.
If you have no taste, this is it.
That was Rowan's favorite.
There you
She
go.
didn't try all three though. She only got that one.
Okay, yeah. This is Mary is where it's at, you guys. Trust me. Trust me. And that's the tea.
That is the
Or
tea.
the frap.
That's the frap.
Sorry, you just elbowed my very severe
I'm
cut.
so sorry.
God. I'm so sorry. It's fine. For now.
Stop putting your hand right there.
Well, I have to be like chilling
You're
like a villain.
Well, that does it for this Starbucks drink trial as Sarah and Winifred.
Yeah.
We should just go to random restaurants and be like, do you have a secret Hocus Pocus?
They'll be like, yeah, it's nothing but
Yes,
Clark
we have a plate
bars
called
and-
Children.
Clark bars and hot Cheetos. It's like what's on their menu.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out all the other videos that we've filmed as these lovely characters that we cannot seem to stop dressing up as.
Yeah, next year, God knows what we're going to be up to next year.
I'm going to be Sarah every year. This is who I am now.
Me too. Now I'll teleport Rowan here.
And then we'll finally be together.
Together!
In Salem.
In Salem. Oh,
Someday.
cheers to that.
Someday.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
You guys going to a party?
So our barista didn't know what Hocus Pocus was. Winnie was quite offended.
Dost thou comprehend? I'm like, that's hard. See you in hell.
Thou would hate me in the morning. Which one looks the yummiest?
Mary. The pumpkin one.
Vera over here with her actually probably great tasting
Yeah,
drink.
coffee. No, Mary's looks really good.
It does.
You can't tell. There's so much artificial flavor in there.
Yeah. Don't
The
worry.
top is cream, you know.